Hello there, PandoraMall shoppers! As promised, I will give you a basic tutorial on how to use PandoraMall. So here are the steps on how to use the PandoraMall app. First things first, you have to download the app. Just head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for PandoraMall and hit the download button. Now the next step is all about gearing up for the fun. Top up your account. You need some funds to start unboxing your surprises. So link your preferred payment method, recharge your balance, and you're ready to roll. Once you're loaded up, open the app. Here you'll find a whole world of enticing boxes, each one containing a fabulous surprise. It's like a digital treasure hunt, and I can't wait to show you how it works. So here's the fun part. You get to choose a box that speaks to you. You ready? Let's unbox this one. For only $499, may chance ka manalo ng iPhone 14 Pro and many more. What's good with this app? If you don't like the item, you have the option to resell it or unbox another boxes. This is where it gets personal. Go ahead and select your favorite item from the box. Then, voila! Your item is on its way, and you can track the delivery process right in the app. So, ano pang iniintay nyo? Ayos bili at paglaro dito!